said that.
You're ugly. Smile. You. There's a birthday girl.
Let him go take your picture. There you go.
For posterity, then this way you pay, bro. You like to watch yourself on TV.
There's the idiot.
Yeah, and just think, I mean, then you can show your children someday.
They're sexy.
No, Ernie, you don't want to do that.
Look over there.
Ernie, now don't do that. Don't take a picture of my belly either.
There's Grandma before her diet.
Now you'll take one afterwards, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want me to do? You want me to put something in the basket?
Smile pretty.
Smile pretty and then say,
Well,
Okay, that's enough.
You want cake and ice cream, or you want... Don't get Ernest.
Ernest. It even says in there fluorescent light is no good.
Oh, we're just trying it, okay?
I know, I'm just saying, none of it's
Alright, well, fine.
Well, you can take over the tree. I can turn all the lights on. What the hell?
Okay, you can put it in the other.
Turn on the kitchen light. You can do that. Don't do me, Ernie.
I'm not. It's not on.
You liar. Little brat.
You can see the light, Ernie.
you know he's doing this so then that we'll all really go on a strict diet.
April, you wanna
We'll go on
have happy
Oprah.
birthday?
Did you
song?
see
You wanna
Oprah?
open your presents and
Mhm.
cake and ice cream? You want cake and ice cream?
It's on Johnny Carson.
No.
I
Here's how to run this
What was
thing.
it? What was she saying?
Okay.
Read instructions, retain instructions, follow instructions.
We've never done that in all our lives, Myron, so why start now? Come here, April. I'll go ahead and I'll take care of it now.
Give it to oh, there's so much. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I read this book once, one night.
Why don't
all
you
night
let somebody else
through.
take
By the
some?
time I got to the
No, I'm
back, I
cameraman
forgot what I
today.
read in the
Huh?
front.
I'm cameraman.
Oh. Ernie, just what are we going to do in Florida?
Hi, Aaron.
Get a nice tan.
Ernie, let's go to Florida.
I am going to Florida in 5
He is
days.
going
4
to
days.
Florida.
Me.
When, Ernie?
Then while
4
you're
days.
opening presents, we can gee, and Uncle John are going on a cruise.
Yeah. How's he doing?
He forgets a lot.
Hi, Aunt
Oh, yeah.
Back over here and sit.
Oh, that's not Carol Frank. I mean, that's so sad, really.
You got it on autofocus, or?
Yeah. I would know.
We're
if
gonna
I
go in the
didn't.
other room, Ern, to sing
Alright.
happy birthday. Come on, you get over there and sit down and behave. Man, isn't that cameraman a dork?
Tell Ernie to stop it.
No, we want your picture. It's your birthday. We want to see how it comes out.
Yeah, let's see about that there candle. Grandma bought that a long time ago.
Okay.
If it still works.
I think
Turn
it
the
was for,
lights off.
might have been for Ernie, and I
Oh, we'll leave the lights
haven't
on.
remembered it. Maybe
Because Ernie's taking pictures.
Mikey.
You want to
try
happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear April. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you missed.
Did you
My
make a,
hair, huh?
did you make a wish?
Excuse me. You're supposed to make a wish. She said, please let Ernie get the heck out of here.
That's what I did say.
Turn it around, I want to see if that's on autofocus.
Right here, Dad.
Happy birthday, kid.
Ernie, you didn't get Tigger.
Look at that nose.
Ernie, get Tigger.
Not
I
as
mean,
big as
Ernie.
yours.
Ernie, get
I'll
Tigger.
make you look at big.
Don't worry about it. Zoom in on it. Zoom in on this.
What's he doing? He's zooming? Has he still got the thing on?
That's
No,
We want
Graham.
to see how it works.
Oh,
So we
that's
can
how
get
you-
it for
Oh.
Christmas.
That's how you're
Oh.
You know, we'd like to know what it does in this kind of light.
Yes.
So say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Adele's family.
Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
I hope you're behaving because you don't know. Your grandma's been biting her nails. She's been wanting to cigarette so bad.
No.
Hey, look at my nails.
You don't even want one.
Take a picture of this.
She didn't.
And this.
I told Grandpa when they had the big smoke out, you know, throw them away. I says, I wonder if those that give up smoking should have one today.
Don't put that that in, you've already left it. Give me that.
You get something like that there, you take that thing off and you can't
Yeah.
roll it over, right?
I said, I told her, I said, when you do something that special, I said, you pull the tab, and she said, you know, they never would have thought
Who in
that.
the world gave Tigger all that food?
Melissa.
You can leave it a
The
little
lens
bit.
cap to the center section of the hand.
That's more than what the Loudermilk thing
That
is.
sounds like dog training.
The Loudermilk gives a little cup like that for 5 cats. And she says, well, they go out and catch mice. Then Bob will take a little cup out and says, these are starving.
Yeah, they would be starving.
Well, yeah, and they're big. I mean, they
Cats
don't really have kids.
neither need that much, but cats only eat.
What they
That's
eat.
yeah, they leave it. Yeah, they're.
Okay, she can
But
open
if
up
they eat
this.
it all gone,
Why don't
as
you
soon
play
as
that
she
back
puts it
some
out,
in
then
your
they're
Well,
not
ask
getting
Mike
it.
if you can play that.
No, they can't.
Now, Ernie, please.
Hey Vic, remember these? Newsreels?
Oh, yeah, the newsreel, yeah.
Yeah.
Tigger! Tigger!
Now,
Look at the camera,
just
Tig.
put this in front of me so that. There.
Grandma trying to camouflage herself.
There, I'll put these.
Are they ready?
No, I gotta put the buttons on them.
For?
So he can't get my fat belly.
Well, that's gonna look real cute.
Well, it'll look better than double chin. There's some way I could get rid of my
Happy
yellow
birthday.
double
Swing
chin.
over your grab.
Just go like this. Roll when I was
I've been over there.
Oh.
She's guarding herself.
Catch her when she's not expecting it.
Who? Don't take me. No.
Ernie, you will be home at Christmas time, won't you?
No, I'm going to Hawaii.
No, you're not.
You wait, and in February you can go with your cousin Patty.
You'd really enjoy that, I'll bet.
No, you don't.
Go over there and you can have room free.
Don't turn so fast.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
All I'm gonna do is get the wall.
She said she goes to this here.
Actually, ideally, Ernie,
One golf course,
you
Ernie.
push the
Mhm.
pause button,
Big butt.
turn to the subject,
Big butt.
Yeah.
and then push it again.
This is Myronimi, prime candidate for Dork of the Year.
Yay.
Look at that. Dorf on golf.
Golf? She says no, but she says, I have tried, but she says, I drive a
Got all that one.
new golf cart for the rest of them.
Who?
Patty, she goes
What?
to these, well, 'cause she travels
It's not on. Don't worry
on
about
her
it.
job.
Come on, you have to do remember that. Pretend you're bowling or something.
What, son?
Smart.
Uncle Mike keep holding up the wall.
Missy, you shouldn't do that, because then all we're going to get is a picture of the jacket.
Yeah.
Right, do you remember the golf
That's
tournament
all right,
down in
Graham-
Florida
Graham
that,
doesn't care.
just, what, about 3 weeks ago?
Mike reading something very
Went
educational.
to dark,
Wrestling magazine.
sudden death.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They went about 8 holes into sudden death or something like
The
that.
hump.
They
Mike,
were
the
saying
Red
there
Rooster.
He's the
Their
hump.
cameras
So
are
sick.
so,
Okay, we're going to
pick up light so
we
much.
can stop for a minute, and then we're
The
going to have
TV
April.
set actually
want
made it look
April
brighter than it
To
actually
open,
was.
we want April. You know, Mikey and Missy, of course.
Present number 1.
Didn't get you anything.
Hey, Ernie, probably should stand like over there, and then you can scan the crowd and get their reaction.